Sheetify Inventory is our dynamic and dedicated Google Sheets inventory management template. In this quick video, I'm going to navigate through and share all the tools and features that you and your team can access to better streamline and optimize your day-to-day inventory management activities. Okay, with that covered, let's go ahead and get started. Here we are inside Sheetify Inventory. Once you've created a copy of this Google Sheets inventory template, you'll be taken to this quick start guide. You can navigate through this quick start guide to see how Sheetify Inventory works. We also have a dedicated Sheetify Inventory tutorial that you can make the most of. Now, if we navigate down to Setup, this is where you can configure your inventory. Next to that, we have Dashboard. This is where you can view important insights in regards to inventory management. Now, if we navigate up to our custom Sheetify menu, as mentioned, Sheetify Inventory is integrated with your favorite Google apps, meaning you can engage in quick actions like sending your inventory-based tasks to your Google Task app or Calendar app. You can also engage in email marketing and send bulk personalized emails to your vendors. And I'll show you how to customize these shortly. Below that, we can call and message, Google Voice, WhatsApp, SMS, which will open up the connected app if you want to get in touch with a specific vendor. You can also quickly set up and generate a meeting. This is using the automatic connection between Gmail and Google Meet. You can also quickly add interactions with your vendors, quickly add tasks, a new vendor, add an inventory item, purchase, sale, or manufacturing item. If we navigate down to vendors, here you can simply manage all your vendors. If you want to send an email campaign to one of these vendors, you can simply click here, navigate up to Sheetify, Email Marketing, and send the personalized email template. Next to vendors, we can manage our inventory, both materials and products. Then we have purchases. These are all your purchased items. We then have sales, so that you can track your sales. Now, all of these tabs are integrated, and we've set up important automations that trigger when a specific action occurs. For example, if your stock is low, the assigned person will receive an email notification. Or if a purchased item has been delivered, you'll get notified. Again, we'll add a more dedicated tutorial down below, which will cover all the automations and workflows between the different tabs. Next to that, we have manufacture. These are your manufactured items, finished products from your materials on hand. And finished items are automatically added here. If we navigate down to Bill of Materials, once you create a product from this section. Basically, what we've done is automated the process of creating the finished product and pulling the items, the materials used, and then automating the process with this option within the menu, Finished Product to Manufacture. And again, all your finished products will end up in Manufacture, and the appropriate item will be added or deducted from inside inventory. Again, we have a more dedicated video that walks you through Bill of Materials and how the manufacture process works. Next to that, we have tasks. Here you can manage all your inventory related tasks. And again, you can send these tasks to your Google Task app or Calendar app. And then down here, we also have interactions. You can manage interactions with vendors. And finally, we have email templates that you can customize. These are personalized email templates that you can send to your vendors. And then down here, we have email notification templates, which trigger based on the triggers here. And again, you can customize the personalized notifications, email notifications that your team will receive. However, that is everything we wanted to cover in this Sheetify inventory overview. If you want to dive deeper into all the tools and features I've touched on today, I'll add a dedicated video down below in the description. Now, if you love Sheetify Inventory, you'll also love our other business toolkits. We have a CRM, project management, and bookkeeping template. I'll add more information down below in the description if you're interested in those toolkits. I hope you got value from this overview. That's it from me. I'll see you in the next video.